Hello everyone, this is Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for computer news this week, a Hacking Forum member is selling 1,300 phishing kits that are to be used for people with PayPal, Amazon, and LinkedIn accounts. You may have heard of Trice Crawford. He got sentenced to 4 years in federal prison for his role in a scheme that took millions of dollars from U.S. service members via identity theft. Prosecutors say that while logged into the Armed Forces database, providing the name, social security numbers, DoD ID numbers, and dates of birth, contact information of thousands of military members, Brown obtained the service members' personal information and gave that information to one of his co-defendants. Crawford's role involved recruiting at least 30 people who allowed the defendant to funnel their stolen funds into their bank accounts, according to the Department of Justice. He also oversaw transfers of money to co-defendants overseas. For his part, Crawford took a percentage of the stolen funds. The DOJ said the defendant took between $8,000 and $13,000 from each victim. The next news article is a survey by CyberSecure Policy Exchange, and they say 57% of Canadians claim to have suffered some sort of cybercrime in this past year. Stay safe out there.